Hi everyone, I'm Ohna Koontz from Keller and today I'm so delighted to give you Mr. Jamie Hall from CrossCountry Mortgage to talk about the home owning opportunities available to you today. Sir Jamie, thank you so much for being here. I know you are very busy, and so, sir, thank you so much for giving us your time.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm happy to join and happy to talk about what we both enjoy doing, is helping people get into homes.
Awesome. Sir, I won't do any justice introducing you, so I'd like to ask you a small favor if you could introduce yourself for our
Mhm.
viewers.
Sure. Again, I'm Jamie Hall with CrossCountry Mortgage. I've been with CrossCountry just under 3 years. My experience has been, I started lending in 1997 and did loans for banks for about 11 years till about 2008, the very end of 2008. And then the real estate bust happened, and I was out of lending for about 10 years, working at my children's school while just spending more time with them. An opportunity presented itself again January 8, 2018, to start lending again, and I'm enjoying it, having a blast doing it.
It's a blessing to have you on our side, Mr. Jamie. Now, Mr. Jamie, not a lot of people knows that home ownership is actually much easier now than it's ever been before. And with the historically interest low rates, it's almost like you're getting free money. Would you care to talk about the no down payment loan assistance, available loan programs, and eligibility?
Sure will, and I'm glad you mentioned that. It now is the best time. We've heard it said before. Now is the time to buy. Now is the time to buy. And you mentioned free money. This is as close as we as lenders have ever come to giving, just basically giving the money away, with interest rates being as low as they are. We're seeing rates under 3%. And even for shorter term loans, even under 2% fixed. So now is a great time, and there's never been a better time, never been an easier time to qualify for this near free money.
How about the no down payment loan assistance? Because most of my clients, they are currently renting, and most of them, they're interested to know about like just owning a house and just paying like a monthly rate.
Well, here's the thing. If they're renting right now, they are paying a mortgage interest rate. It's just not their mortgage. So with that in mind, you're subject, as a renter, you're subject to the interest rate that the owner or the landlord has on that property, plus a rent premium that you're required to pay. So with that in mind, a renter could improve their economic situation and become increasing their wealth by owning property. And one of the easier ways to do that, you mentioned in the down payment assistance loans and some of the
Yes,
no
sir.
down payment loans.
Mhm.
With respect to down payment assistance loan, CrossCountry Mortgage participates with the Florida Housing Finance Corporation with the Florida bond loans. Florida bond loans, with the more popular loan program that they have, is it offers up to $7,500 down payment assistance towards down payment and the closing costs. So we've had a lot of people take advantage of that program that qualify. There are qualifications, and it is income based. So they want to make it available to those that need it most. But we've seen great success with it. It was gone for just a brief time during COVID, but it is back and available to those that qualify.
And it is easy to apply for a approval, right?
Absolutely. It's very easy to apply. We have our website that's very user friendly. It's not a complex form that asks you questions that you don't know how to answer. And our website is really easy. Just ccmtallahassee.com. You'll see my business partner Brian Vincent
Mhm.
on this website, as well as yours truly.
Mhm.
You can click apply now, enter your application, and afterwards it gives you an opportunity to upload your financials. So within 24 hours, we're able to have a pre-approval for you.
Yeah, I think my recent client, it only took like what, two days, 2 days.
Yeah, yeah, it was 2 days, and it was probably a lot quicker than that. I just wanted to
Mhm.
be certain of some items
Yes,
that
sir.
that could come up to cause a delay in during the process.
And you do cover all types of loans: USDA, FHA, VA.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
USDA, you mentioned no down payment loans. USDA does not come with down payment assistance, but it finances 100% of the price of the home. So for example, $150,000 home, USDA will allow us to finance $150,000. In addition to that, you have your closing costs and your prepaid items, which that's what as the buyer you're responsible for, or with a wonderful agent like Ohna Koontz to help you negotiate with the seller to have some of those costs covered.
Which is actually, sorry. Which is actually perfect for my area here in Crawfordville. There's a lot of new builds coming up here and there, and which is perfect for USDA.
Absolutely. I believe the entirety of Wakulla County is
under
in USDA eligible.
Yeah. All right. So you see, guys, the white picket fence, that American dream, is much easier with Mr. Jamie and his team, and of course with me. And I just want you all to know that Mr. Jamie and his team has a long history of excellent service, fast approvals and closings, and low interest rates. And if you're ever interested to know the numbers to prove that claim, we can go also and get that for you. So, sir, anything else you want to add before we wrap it up?
Sure. I'm grateful for the opportunity to help you out. I know there are those that could qualify, and maybe they're not aware of how well they could qualify. And I just encourage them to reach out to you, Ohna, and to reach out to me through Ohna, and apply and see where you are, and let's see how fast we can have you take advantage of this near free money.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jamie. Thank you so much again for your time and for that important information to help our clients achieve that American dream. God bless and stay safe.
Great. Thank you very much, Ohna.